milk. Let's see what we have. We have bananas, coconut milk, coconut sugar, and granulated sugar, salt. We're gonna do now. Yay!
Okay. Yeah.
First, we're gonna put coconut milk. And we're gonna put coconut sugar. The coconut milk was very smell good. And granulated sugar. Salt. Okay. Let's mix it. And we're gonna put bananas. Use this again. Mix it again. Ooh, see? Very good, and smell is very good. I like it. Coke is delicious. Okay. We're gonna close the pot for 5 minutes, and we're gonna come check again. Check the bananas again. Okay? Already 5 minutes. Let's open the pot and check the bananas. Ooh, very cool. You guys know this time my dad gonna come from work. I'm very sure he gonna try my dessert and very like it. First time for my dad to try it. Okay, we're gonna open and try. Okay. You see? Very cool. I'm very proud at myself to do this.
Yeah.
Hope it's delicious, yeah? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Still. Okay. And try! You see? Very good, very yummy, but it's very hurt my tongue. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for me, and press the bell for me, okay? Yeah, very yummy, but very hurt my tongue. Okay, yeah. See, very cool. I very like it. Very hot. Bye bye. See you next video. yummy